How to design a social media advertisement within 10 minutes. Let's see how we can do it. Before going to the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, let's start. First of all, cut the image with pen tool. I have made a separate video to learn how to cut with pen tool. Please watch it if you are struggling to cut. Make the selection, then add a feather. Then turn off the background layer. Okay. Now let's create a new document. Usually social media post sizes are square shape. So we'll make a 1000 pixel by 1000 pixel. Now we can drag the object to the new file. Let's make these edges bit smoother. Select blur tool and blur the edges. Okay. Now let's make a background with some shapes. I am going to draw a shape with pen tool. Don't forget to make a new layer before fill color. Select an eye-catching color. Usually for food posts, we use yellow or red color. We need to add a shadow to the object if we change the background. It will look real if do that. Okay. I'll make a small selection from the bottom of the object, duplicate it to a new layer, and make it to black color. Blur that layer a bit. Then send it back to the object. Now I am going to darken some part from the background with burn tool. This is called shadow and highlight. You can lighten with dodge tool if you want. Do it according to the background color you select. Okay, let's give a shadow behind the object. We have to draw a shape according to our imagination. Fill it with black in a new layer. Then give some Gaussian blur. Adjust it until it looks natural shadow. If you like my video so far, please give a like and add comment. Okay, now let's pull down the shadow a bit. If you want more influence from the shadow layer, just give some more Gaussian blur. I'll center it with all the layers connected to the object. Let's add a heading. Go to Type tool and select a thick font. When it comes to social media advertisement, we should give the message to the people very clear. The color, font selection, everything should be in good contrast. Even you should be able to read the main message with blurred eyes. Let's say year-end offer. The background color is yellow. So white color font won't work. So I am going to give a black color. Let's add an outline as well. Create a new layer, make a selection, then go to edit, then go to stroke. Give the value about 10. Okay. Let's do some more lightings to the background. Let's add another text says. Buy 4. Get 1 free. Let's see where it will suit well. I'll fill this with white color. Let's keep this on right side. I'll right align it first. Try to keep the main message in the right side. Because when we open a design, our eyes will automatically go to right side. Let's add a small drop shadow to the text so it will look more clear. I'll brighten the object a bit with Dodge tool. And also do some adjustment in camera raw filter too. Keep the text in center. The space from object to text and text to the top border should be same. Here is a main tip for social media promotion. Always keep your texts less than 25% of the image. If it went more than that, then the reach will be less. I'll show you how to check in the text overlay. Save the image first. Now go to Facebook text overlay tool. I have added the link in description. Click on the upload button, then upload your designed image and wait for a moment. If your image passed, it will say OK here. If you get OK, then you will get a very good result from your promotion. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Let's meet in another video next week.